Hey guys! Anyway, today for Friday, I'm gonna do a fun Friday video, and that's what the Fridays are. Fun Friday.
Disclaimer, this video is supposed to be edited on Friday, but you know I'm lazy.
So today, I'm gonna be doing another cooking sketch. I have not done one of those in God knows how long. So, I don't know if you remember me saying this.
So, are you a good cook, guys? I am definitely, positively a awesome, no good cook. I cannot cook.
I burned box mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes!
And then I did this.
And today I thought I would do a cooking sketch, which is
So I've actually been practicing cooking with my mom. Sometimes, not all the times, guys. But we're gonna see where my cooking has gotten me. So we're gonna be making cinnamon buns. So oh yeah, guys, for dessert. So Lego. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be doing it down here because I actually don't have a good place to set up the camera. So let's go. I've just got like some oil in my hand. So I gotta go get the cinnamon buns, the oil spray, and preheat the oven. So I'll be right back. I got the spray. So this is our pan that we're gonna be using. You know, it looks all dirty, but it's not. It's just from being in the oven, getting. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you know, for these you have to like put enough so they don't stick and they don't get burnt and stuff. So cinnamon rolls. So the oven, 400 degrees. I'll be right back. Guys, this part always like scares me. Oh. Oh guys, I didn't do anything. Okay, that's nice. Oh my god. That's... Oh my... That scared me. Oh my gosh, guys. Ew, what's this? Oh, okay, so this is our little container where our icing's in, so we're just gonna set that to the side, and we're gonna just start. Oh no, they're all soft and like, okay, we're just gonna try our best, because like they were sitting out for a while and they're all soft, so I'm gonna try my best to mend them together. Oh my gosh, guys, no! They're like ruined! Okay, like, I think maybe I can get those, that one. But like, it's so like soggy-ish. Okay, this is what we'll do. I'll tell you what. We're gonna see if we can even get like anything, cause guys, like these are like ruined. They were sitting out for too long. I had one job, guys, one job. Okay, well I got like a couple. I might be able to like makeshift these into like, you know. Oh great, no. Maybe I'll make this into like a ball or something. Oh great, no guys, I feel so bad. Okay, like this is like the pastry, so maybe if I like try and roll it up, it might, you know, we'll try. It's gonna be like a mini thing. Okay, let's try like that. Hopefully these don't come out as bad as I think they will. I feel like they're gonna come out pretty bad. But hopefully with a little bit of heat magic, they come out okay. Okay, I got 2 more. Okay, y'all, they're in the oven. See, like, they did not come out as I wanted them to because they were sitting out because they needed to defrost because they were, I think, in the freezer. But we're just gonna let that cook. Oh, cool! Look, the light looks purple, but it's actually orange red. So we'll let that cook, and then I'll catch y'all when they're done. So guys, they're done, and I know that they look like they're burnt, but that's actually just like cinnamon, the cinnamon that was like burnt on it. So yeah, but time to ice them. Okay, y'all, so that's all I had for y'all today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. And tell me down in the comments below, would you actually eat my cinnamon buns? Would you try them? Would you see if they're even edible? Because God knows that I can't cook for nothing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.